Good morning, students of class 4. Welcome back to our online classes on literature. So today we are going to have the further classes in literature. We have lesson 15, Sparrows Come Home, based on the theme Protecting Nature. Before I begin this lesson, I would like to ask you, I hope all of you have done your half-yearly exams well, and you are already ready and with enthusiasm and eager to complete the next lessons further. So we have here, based on the theme I already told you, protecting nature. Most of us are aware, means everybody is aware that we have a great responsibility of protecting the nature. And when we do not protect the nature, we know what all the consequences it happens. The result that we experience. When we are not respecting, not taking care of the nature begins to react. And those reaction is very terrible. Many of the calamities that are taking place, flood or landslide or earthquake, all these takes place because of we are not taking care of the nature as it is supposed to be. So today here we have a lesson, Sparrows Come Home. Sparrows are birds. One of the species of this type is getting endangered, means very risky. They are almost getting completed. Many of the animals which were existing earlier is not existing now, like the dinosaurs. Many of the animals you must have seen only in the pictures or in the movies, but at present it is completely extinct from the face of the earth. So like that, as the years goes ahead, many of the animals are in risky life, endangered. They are getting extincted, completely finishing. So this lesson tells us what type of part that we have to play in order to save some of the species existing on this earth. So I'll give you just an introduction to this lesson. Thereafter we will have the part by part explanation and the rest of the lessons followed. So today I told you already, it is based on the theme protecting the nature, and we learn how we are responsible and how we can do or how we can play our part in order to save the presently existing animals, birds and other species of different types of creatures on this earth. Sparrows Come Home is a fictional story. It is a fictional, it's not a real, about a serious topic that affects us. It is like a foreseeing. Yes, these are the things is going to happen and it is going to affect us. The environment, especially which are affecting our environment. In this chapter, the focus is on sparrow conservation. How we can save sparrows. That is all about the lesson says to us. Now, the characters of this lessons are Shalini and her friend Reena, are two friends who are sitting on the balcony of Shalini's house when they start talking about the sparrows. So Shalini and Reena are friends, and Reena comes to Shalini's house and they have a conversation about sparrows, because Reena found some sparrows in Shalini's house. So that made her to excited her, and she asked a few questions, and like that the conversation goes on between both of them. And Shalini informs Reena that March 10th and 20th is World Sparrow Day. So a day set apart for celebrating the World Sparrow Day is 20th March, and Shalini reminds her. Suddenly a sparrow flits over potted plants hanging in the balcony. So they were sitting in the balcony, and she found suddenly Reena find one sparrow comes and sitting on the top of her pot. Shalini goes on to educate Reena about why sparrows, which were once very visible everywhere, have become endangered. Means in the olden time and all, everywhere you will see the sparrows. Now they'll be going in group. But nowadays it is not found because they are coming to an extinct. They are endangered. They are at risk because of the harmful thing that we do towards the environment. This is because humans are not taking care of their environment, leaving them less and less space to make their nest on trees and even fewer options for their food. Now, why the sparrows are coming to an extent? Because first and foremost, human beings are building so many buildings. They are occupying the whole places. So this type of creatures, the birds have no place to make their homes. When they are cutting away the trees, their homes are made on the top of the trees, and because of that they are not getting a place to stay, and they are preparing such a type of bungalows and tall apartments where there is no provision for the sparrows and to come and sit. So Shalini has created a bird house out of a coconut shell and hung it from the ceiling. Now Shalini is a very practical girl. She explains to her how we can save sparrows. So she points out how she has prepared a bird house made out of coconut shell. And in the lesson you will find how she explains. They also talk about how to provide bird baths and bird feeder for sparrows. How to keep a bird feeder, how to give a bird bath, all these things she is explaining in the lessons very well. As we go through this lessons line by line, paragraph wise, then we will learn detail. So here she educates, she informs, she try to become more aware or make Reena aware what is our responsibility and how we can save the birds. They also talk about to provide a bird bath, how they need the, it will be explained in the lesson, you will find it that time I will explain to you in a detail. And with these small steps, Shalini asked, when we read the lesson, Reena asked, by only doing this, is it possible to stop all these risky birds coming to an end? Then Shalini says, believes a lot can be achieved. She's a little part that we do can be doing like this, encouraging others can be achieved a lot or save this kind of species. At the end, Reena asks Shalini help in getting a bird house so that she too can pitch in with conservation efforts. Means she, after hearing Shalini, she says, please get me also a bird house so that I too can save this creatures on this earth. So she requests her to get a bird house for her too. Then the story ends with an interview of Rakesh Khatri, the man behind Eco Roots Foundation, which is a foundation trying to help in conserving sparrows. So saving sparrows. So you will find at the end of the lesson that we will read it. So this is all about starting of this lesson. Now as we begin the lesson, we will come to know what kind of type of conversation is going on between both of them, both Shalini and Reena, and how Shalini explains step by step how we can do our part in saving this type of species on this earth so that they are not at a risk but they are saved. So students, I would like to tell you that please go through the lesson once or twice so that you will have an idea about what is exactly the lesson is about, and thereafter in the next class I will be taking part by part for the explanation of this lesson. So please keep reading. Start writing the lesson number, lesson name, word meanings in your copy. Thank you.